How to speed up Windows 11 computer very fast to improve the speed at which your computer operates without the use of third party. This sounds so simple. Yes, it's simple and easy. Everything we are going to share is inbuilt built on this device. It is because you don't know how to use it. That is why we are here for you. So in 2 minutes, guys, you are done. And the joy of it is that you can reverse this setting at any time once you are done with what you are to do. But if you really enjoy it, then you might leave it the way you set it. First of all, guys, let's access the settings on our device. Click on the start button here. Click on the settings. Once you click on the settings, it comes out like this. Everything is going to be taking place in the system of these settings. Then go ahead and click on the system. Once you click on the system, then scroll down, guys, until you have access to storage. We are dealing with storage first. Click on storage. Once you click on storage, you have this information right away before you. Now we are going to toggle or to do some tweak on the storage sense. Tap and switch off this button. If this button is switched off, it means automatic cleaning of your device is not allowed again. You know, when your device is being allowed to automatic clean all processes, it means it's going to use the RAM and other resources in your device. This might slow down your computer from performing very well. Now, if you want your computer to perform to its best, make sure that this button is toggled off. Now, tap back one more time and access the settings page again. Now, scroll up until you get to power and battery. Tap on it or you click on it as the name may sound. Now that I've clicked on it, then look at when that says power mode. Click on this arrow. Once you click on this arrow, you have 3 important information here: best power efficiency and best performance and balance. Most of computer is unbalanced and this is set by default, but to have the best of this, click on this arrow and click on best performance. What this does is that it signals to your computer that it should run at its very best, but this is going to take more of the battery of your computer. If you are using on battery, then I will employ you do not alter this. But if you want to run your system using external power like the electricity and others, then use the best performance. With this particular setting, it's signaling to your computer that it should use the best activities on it and run at very fast mode. You can see that this is very simple, and as I've said, it does not require any third-party apps before these settings can be carried out on your device. So guys, if you enjoy what I've explained in this video, if not subscribed and you want more tips like this on your computer, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with others. It might help them. See you soon, guys, on our next video.